If you want to charge other devices using your Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can use a USB cable that fits both your Google Pixel 11 and the other device that you want to charge. Of course, that other device can be pretty much anything that has USB port. So this can be another smartphone, this can be, for example, Bluetooth device, and so on and so forth. And yes, you can even use the original cable that we have inside the box, in case it fits both your phone and that other device. In my case, I have this kind of cable over here. It is USB-C to USB-C. So I can just simply connect my Google Pixel 11 to another device. So it works just like that. And there we go. And there is also a possibility, especially if you connect your Pixel 11 to another smartphone, that your Pixel is going to be charged instead of charging that other device. So if that is the case, you just need to go to notifications, and then here you will find a notification about charging this phone, or this phone is being charged. There we go. Here we have charging this device via USB. So you want to tap on this notification, so you need to find USB preferences. And then here at the bottom, you can choose charge connected device. And then it's going to switch around, and now I am charging that other device. And unfortunately, Google Pixel 11 only supports wired power sharing option, so you can charge other devices via cable only. Wireless charging doesn't really work here. I mean, when we talk about sharing the battery, of course. So only cable works, and this is how it works. Very simple and very straightforward. Leave a like and subscribe.